BMW expensive.
On the website edmunds.com, they say, the 2021 BMW X7 is a 7-passenger, 3-row SUV that is available in 2 trim levels, X-Drive 40i and XDCi. The X-Drive 40i is powered by a turbocharged 3.0-liter inline 6-cylinder engine, paired with a 48-volt mild hybrid system.
Okay Google, how much is BMW Series 2?
The 2022 BMW X7 is listed by the manufacturer at a starting price of $74,900.
Okay Google, what is the labor to install a new engine?
On the website familyhandyman.com, they say, the shop rate can vary greatly, from as little as $90 per hour to over $150 per hour. So using a low-end shop rate of $110 and a high of $150, the labor on a typical engine replacement can run anywhere from $1,100 to $1,800.
You name it. I've got greens, tomatoes, potatoes, lamb, you name it. I've got greens, tomatoes, potatoes, you name it.